In the intricate symphony of your vehicle's engine, there's a crucial component working tirelessly to prevent a catastrophic meltdown: the water pump. Often overlooked until it fails, this unsung hero is the heart of your car's cooling system, circulating coolant to maintain optimal engine temperature. Without it, your engine would quickly overheat, leading to severe damage and costly repairs. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of vehicle water pumps. We'll explore how they function, the different types found in modern cars, critical symptoms of failure, and best practices for replacement. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of this vital automotive component and how to keep your engine running cool and efficiently. So, let's get started. At its core, a vehicle water pump is a mechanical device designed to move engine coolant through the cooling system. Most automotive water pumps are centrifugal pumps, operating on a simple yet effective principle. Inside the pump housing, a rotating component called an impeller features curved blades. As the engine drives the impeller, it spins rapidly, drawing coolant from the radiator into its center. The centrifugal force then pushes the coolant outwards, increasing its velocity and pressure, and propelling it through the engine block, cylinder head, and ultimately back to the radiator to dissipate heat. This rotation is typically powered by the engine's crankshaft via a drive belt. Older vehicles often use a dedicated fan belt, while most modern cars utilize a serpentine belt that also powers other accessories like the alternator and power steering pump. Some engines, particularly those with overhead camshafts, might even have the water pump driven by the timing belt, making its replacement a critical part of timing belt service. Understanding this continuous circulation is key to appreciating why a healthy water pump is indispensable for engine health. While the basic function remains the same, vehicle water pumps come in a couple of primary types. First, we have the mechanical water pump, which is the most common type. As we just discussed, these are directly driven by the engine, typically via a belt. Their speed is directly proportional to engine RPM, meaning they pump more coolant as the engine works harder. They are robust and reliable but consume a small amount of engine power. Increasingly, modern vehicles, especially those with advanced engine management systems or hybrid powertrains, are incorporating electric water pumps. These pumps are electronically controlled and operate independently of engine speed. This allows for more precise coolant flow management, improving engine warm-up times, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. Electric pumps can even continue to circulate coolant after the engine is shut off, preventing heat soak. Both types are designed to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, but their operational characteristics differ significantly, impacting maintenance and diagnostic approaches. A failing water pump can lead to serious engine damage if ignored. Recognizing the warning signs early can save you from costly repairs. Here are the most common symptoms of a bad water pump. 1. Coolant leaks. This is perhaps the most obvious sign. Water pumps have seals and gaskets that can wear out over time, leading to coolant dripping from the front of your engine. Look for puddles of green, pink, or orange fluid under your car. A common leak point is the weep hole, a small opening designed to indicate a failing internal seal. 2. Engine overheating. If your temperature gauge starts climbing into the red, or you see steam coming from under the hood, your water pump might not be circulating coolant effectively. This is a critical symptom that requires immediate attention to prevent engine damage. 3. Whining or squealing noises. A high-pitched whining or squealing sound coming from the front of the engine, especially when accelerating, can indicate a loose or worn drive belt or worn bearings within the water pump itself. These noises often get louder as the problem worsens. 4. Corrosion and deposits. Visually inspect the water pump for signs of rust, corrosion, or coolant deposits around its housing. This indicates a slow leak that has been present for some time and is a clear sign of impending failure. Don't ignore these warning signs. Addressing them promptly is crucial for your engine's health. Replacing a vehicle water pump can be a complex job, but following best practices ensures a successful and long-lasting repair. First and foremost, a thorough cooling system flush is essential. Never install a new water pump into a dirty system. Old, contaminated coolant can quickly degrade new seals and bearings. Flush the radiator, engine block, and heater core until the water runs clear. When installing the new pump, pay close attention to gaskets and sealants. Use new gaskets and apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant if specified by the manufacturer. Ensure all mating surfaces are clean and free of old gasket material. Proper bolt torque is also critical. Over-tightening can warp the housing, while under-tightening can lead to leaks. Next, correctly address the drive belt. If your pump is belt-driven, inspect the belt and tensioner for wear and replace them if necessary. Ensure proper belt tension. Too loose and it will slip, too tight and it will put excessive strain on the pump bearings. Finally, refill the system with the correct coolant mixture. Always use the manufacturer-specified coolant type and maintain a 50-50 mix with distilled water. This ensures proper freeze protection, corrosion inhibition, and heat transfer. Following these steps will help prevent common installation mistakes and ensure your new water pump performs reliably. We've navigated the vital role of the vehicle water pump, from its centrifugal operation and various types to the critical signs of failure and best practices for replacement. This small but mighty component is truly indispensable for your engine's longevity and performance. Remember, proactive maintenance, such as adhering to the manufacturer's recommended replacement intervals, often between 60,000 to 100,000 miles, and promptly addressing any warning signs, is key to avoiding costly engine damage. We hope this guide has empowered you with the knowledge to understand and care for your vehicle's cooling system. Drive safe and keep your engine cool. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Do you have any vehicle water pump tips or questions? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.